Ethereum is lining up bearish on the daily time frame. Whale money is flowing out of the market. We are about a neutral signal on the trades in favor. And most importantly, we've just fallen into the breakout zone. And most often, this is going to indicate significant moves in the crypto market. Based on the fact that we have a bear flag pattern going right now, I think this is actually going to break to the downside. And if the current flag pattern plays out, this could be a drop all the way down to the $1,500 level. Let me talk to you about how we are preparing for this move and what you can do to catch the next best entry. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident. As of today, we have 284 successful trade calls with 0 losses in our membership trades. This trading record is thanks to the entry strategy and risk management that we use. We use a series of buy limits to buy the dips as they happen, and about 80% of the time, 78.87% of the time to be exact, the entry strategy I'm about to show you doesn't even need that risk management. We're winning trades anywhere between 4 and 20%. These last few trades are for 20%. Guys, you may have hit some buy limits, so you are in for even more profit than before. And before we get started, I want to let you know we have a brand new future forecast out. These last 3 future forecasts, ranging between March 18th and March 13th, are going to be talking about this potential drop and risk management, why the shift is actually incredibly bullish for Bitcoin overall, why it could spell trouble for alt season, the exact month to lock in the most profits before huge sell-offs, and why brutal 1 to 2 year crypto bear markets might be over. We're also going to talk about how to adjust your risk management if the crypto cycles are done. The amazing yet dangerous road ahead is coming, and we're going to be talking about our next moves to increase profit. Future forecasts and trade setups are available exclusively to our members, and you can sign up at the links in the description down below for 25% off your first month. Getting started, we're trading Ethereum USD on the daily time frame with the TC top and bottom finder, price versus while money flow, trades in favor, and breakout detector indicators. Let's take a look at this bear flag pattern. Guys, a bear flag happened. Now, technically, this is a bear pennant, just to clarify, but they are essentially the same thing. A bear flag pattern happens when you have a sharp move to the downside and then consolidation. We're seeing traders accumulate at this level, and as long as it stays within a trend line, this is considered a bear flag or a bear pennant. The only difference is bear flags are horizontal lines, bear pennants are more of a converging triangle. In this case, we have a breakout zone reading, and as I showed you previously, most often a breakout zone reading is going to result in moves in the market. Now, this won't necessarily dictate direction. It can go either way, and we need to use the other indicators to try and figure out which direction it's likely to head. Right now, whale money is dropping sharply out of the market, and if this continues, I think this could absolutely push the price of Ethereum far down. You can see back here, we were at about the same level. Whale money sharply dropped out of the market, and the price dropped like crazy. Now, this is trading in a range relative to the local candles, so it might not be as substantial of a drop, but traditionally, the way we predict a market drop, a price target specifically, for a bear flag or a bear pennant is to take the length of the flagpole, put it towards a potential breakout point, which would be right about here if we break down from this candle, and the bottom of that flagpole is where we would expect a move to happen to. And from here, this is looking at a move to about $1,470. We're just going to keep it an even $1,500 just to make things a little bit easier to remember and stay updated. And most often too, if you set buy limits, this is an order that is meant to trigger at a certain price level at $1,500, and the price does actually target $1,475, you're more likely to hit that buy limit and get a fantastic entry. Speaking of entry, the way we typically like to enter a trade is using the TC top and bottom finder, price versus while money flow, and trades in favor indicators. If we see a buy signal or a strong buy to clarify, this most often indicates an ideal candle entry. From there, we want to see price versus while money flow low, meaning whales have oversold and are likely to buy back into the market. Whale traders are market makers, so where whale money goes, the price is likely to go to, and you as a trader want to trade with them, not against them. So if you see this green line low, it could be a good time to enter. From there, If you see trades in favor low, it means downwards momentum has run out and you're likely to see a bounce in the crypto market. All three of these individually are bullish, but combine to create the bullish trifecta, and this is the combination of entry signals that we've used to enter our 284 successful trade calls. With that in mind, we're going to be looking for that same bullish trifecta if we see a major price drop due to this bear pennant pattern. And you don't have to be tracking this every single day, all day, every hour of the day. We use alerts on our trades in order to catch potential entries. What we're going to do is click create alert, switch this to the trades in favor, watch for pump, once per bar close, and we're going to name it. ETH 1 day watch for pump, click create. Next alert is going to be under the TC top and bottom finder this time. Keep it at a buy signal, once per bar close, and name it. ETH 1 day buy, click create. And the last alert is going to be under the TC top and bottom finder again. This time it'll be a strong buy, once per bar close, and name it. ETH 1 day strong buy, click create. And these three alerts are going to help you find that next bullish trifecta. A buy or strong buy alert means you got a buy or strong buy signal on your charts indicating a potential ideal candle entry. And if you get a watch for pump alert, it means that the trades in favor has dropped and closed in the long trade zone. Downwards momentum has run out and you're likely to see a bounce to the upside, which of course is going to be bullish. And if any of those alerts post, be sure to check the other indicators to see if you have, or at least are close to creating, a bullish trifecta. Again, this is the entry strategy that we've used to call 284 successful trade wins. Now, if you want results like this, we're going to head to the profits tab because you wouldn't be alone. Profits here show that this person met their goal of becoming debt-free with the indicators. You hands down have the best indicators: 10% profit, 50 to 70% profit, 103% profit in 34 days. If you want results like this, you need to have these indicators loaded up on your charts, and members can get access for up to $550 off. And that's on top of money-making benefits like the future forecasts, trade setups, metrics across 40 coins, morning brew overviews, and our monthly Inner Circle live Zoom hangouts. And if you want to get started with us, links are in the description down below. Membership is the first link. Click that. It'll bring you to our sign up page where you can get 25% off your first month. Less than $50 to join. Head to the indicator tab. Pro indicator pack is what you're looking for, and this is going to have 3 of the 4 indicators you just saw. Members, $150 off right here for a less than $50 entry fee. More savings to come, don't worry. Pro indicator pack, click I want this, throw in that membership code, fill in your information, click pay, and it's going to offer you the TC top and bottom finder for $400 off, giving you that full $550 discount. Go ahead and click add to cart, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. And with that, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I will see you in the membership for today's future forecast episode. Don't miss out.